Hello, good evening, everyone. Hello, good evening, students. Good evening, my dear students. Can you hear me? Show your thumbs up. If you can hear me, thumbs up with smile. The good evening should be very energetic, isn't it? Acha. And can you see my file? Is my file visible? Show thumbs up. Okay. Acha, today we are going to learn someone whose body is of man but face is of animal. Come on, guess what we are going to learn today. And one more hint I'm giving. The one which we are going to draw today loves laddu too much. Fan of laddus. Come on. Any answer? Acha, one more hint I'm giving. Is having a very big tummy. What we are going to learn today? Tell me. Come on, tell me. Yes, we are going to learn Lord Ganesha. You all must be knowing on 23rd, we have Ganesh Chaturthi, the festival of Ganesha. So today we will be learning Lord Ganesha's drawing. Okay? 22nd. And you must be thinking, Lord Ganesha, my God, I'm so small. How will I be able to make Lord Ganesha? But you will see, using letters and numbers, making Lord Ganesha is not at all difficult. So let's get started. Okay? Chalo. For this, you are going to use your file in standing position. Keep your file in this vertical position. And say this is half of my file. But I will not start from half, I will start from here. Okay? First you draw a line. Okay? I'm giving you a complete view of file. Now see this line is, how much big the line is? See, equal space I left here and equal space I left here. This much big line you are supposed to draw. Take 2 points. Okay? Now, draw first. This is not in center, slightly above center. This is a line, and see, equal to this line, the space is left here, and equal to this line, space is left here. This is in center. Okay? Yes, now I will be writing 1. 1 here and 1 here. 1, 1. Draw 1. Take last point. Okay? Yes. Harshita, make these lines little more big. ये लाइन थोड़ी और बड़ी करो. थोड़ी सी बड़ी, okay? Yes. Now see these 2 points we have now. In middle of this, I will be taking a point. Slightly below. Middle of these 2 points, I will be taking a point. It is not in straight line. It is slightly below. Okay, take point. Now, this point I will be joining here. And this line I will be joining here. Okay, I'm repeating. I just draw a horizontal line. I took 2 points and I draw one on both the sides. Then I took a center point and it's looking like V, but it's not very slanting. It's flat, open V. Now this center point we have now, take 1 point here. And leaving same distance, take 1 point here. And then erase, take eraser. Take 2 points. Take eraser and erase the center part. Erase the center part. Yeah. And one line here, one small line here, leave it. One slightly big, and this is comparatively small. 2 lines you make, trunk we will not make now. Trunk of Lord Ganesha we will be doing in end. And you know what? When your Ganesha's drawing will get finished? On the very special day of Ganesh Chaturthi. So, yes. And at the same time, you're learning how to draw a festival. You're not only learning Lord Ganesha's drawing, you are actually learning drawing on Ganesh Chaturthi, a festival. So actually you are learning drawing on Ganesh Chaturthi. Okay? See, my file is kept in standing position. I think Nuthan, Vamula, beta, you have made Ganesha this ways. You are supposed to make it this ways, beta, in this position. Okay? So please do this correction. Otherwise, the body of Lord Ganesha will not come. Okay? Yes. Now, one big line, one small line. Now take point here. And draw C. First, equal line. This equal line we have now. Same. We will be using this point and draw C. Draw C from this point. And this much big line, same sized line I will be making this side. And from this point only, I will be making C for cat. C for cat. Okay? What I did from here, I took a line, and this point and this point I used for drawing, making C. Same line here, C. I will take my eraser and erase this line. See, these all are guiding lines. Okay, just for guidance, to keep our basic shape at proper place. Now, do this much. See on both the sides. Now I will be writing C once again. Arish, sit down. Arish, sit beta, start making drawing. Play afterwards. Okay, where is your file? Show your file. What you have done, Arish? Show Lord Ganesha's drawing. Okay. Okay. Very good. Continue. Okay, beta? Play afterwards. Yes. Now I will be writing C once again. Here, small c. Small c, upwards. Same here. Equal sized. Small c. This C line we will erase. Okay. Now from here, show one line from this point. Line, this one we made now, from this point, draw one line. And this side also, equally big. And take last point. Okay, take last point also. And you know what? There is a very big story behind why Lord Ganesha's head is of elephant. Do you know the story? Many of you must be knowing, but next time I will tell you. Not today, because today there are so many guidelines. So next time I'll be doing coloring. I will be sharing the very beautiful stories about Lord Ganesha. Okay? Draw one line, take last point. And here also draw one line and take last point. Okay? Yes. Now, this is the last point of my upper shape. And this is last point of my lower shape. Now I will join them. Join. Join. Okay? Join them. I want to see your work. Please show your files. All of you. अरे वाह, कितना अच्छा बना है. Very good. Shabash. All of you show. Abhimanyu, show. Great. शिवान्या, हाँ दिखाओ बेटा. कैमरे के पास लाओ शिवान्या. Good. Excellent. You all are doing really wonderfully. Shabash. Okay, let's get started. Now here, this line we have now, in center of this, I will be making lines smaller than this. Smaller than this. This line is in center of this, but small. Okay. These are 2 points. Join. Same here. Same here. Join to the corner. Yes. Now this line we have now. In center of this, I will be making one more line. Smaller. Come on, make. And these are last points. Take last points also. See, during Ganesh Chaturthi, there are many competitions happening all around. For based on Lord Ganesha. So you can participate. This drawing will prepare you for participation. You will be ready for participation. Okay? So please be very much careful by learning the drawing. Now these 2 points, I will be joining again with curved line. Join with curved line. And one more line. It is the smallest. This is the smallest line. Navneet Sharma brothers. Both of you show your work. I want to see your work. दिखाओ बेटा. Yeah, arre wow, this is so beautiful. You are supposed to erase this line. Okay, Navneet, this line you're supposed to erase. Very good. Both of you are doing brilliant work. Shabash. Erase this line. Okay. Now, these 2 points I have, join. Again with curved line. Join. Yes. What I did, big line, then small, smaller than this, then smaller than this, then smallest. Now in center, I'm going to write C. In center, write it very carefully. C. And I have these 2 points of C. 2 points of C. Okay. Now, this point we have now, take its center point above. Center point above. These 2 points I have, I took center point, but above, not center, but here slightly above. And I'm going to use letter V. V for victory. Okay? Yes, from this point to this and then this. V. Come on, write V. V for victory. Lochan, what happened? Are you all right, beta? Show thumbs up. Okay. Now, show lines and make this drawing with lots of dedication because you are learning Lord Ganesha and you can gift it to your grandparents. Okay? 3 lines. Now, we'll be making eyes. 2 lines. Center point, center point. Take center point, and now these 2 points of lines. Draw 2 lines first and take center point. This center point which I took above will help us managing the shape. Okay, that how much big line we are supposed, eyes we want. Okay, and see, we are using numbers and letters. You all know how to write D. You know now how to write D. D for dog. Okay, now from here I will be writing a C, and see, it's looking like D, capital D. Same I'm going to do here. Now see, this line, this point will help me maintaining the shape, that this much big line. Your C should touch this point which I have taken. Okay. And now I will be making a U shape, but not U this way. I will be making round U shape. Round U shape. Okay. U can be written this way, but I don't want this way. I want it round. So, this way. And don't forget to make one more circle inside. One more inside. Make it very carefully because eyes should be very beautiful. Okay? Yes. Make it very beautiful. If you feel that your one eye is big, one is going small, then you can. We are using just numbers and letters. So first of all, you will not give up. Be determined, I can do it. Okay? Now eyebrows. For making eyebrows, I will be using letter C. Right? C, slightly big. C for cat. C for cat. Big eyebrows. Okay? Now, here in between of these two eyebrows, two sleeping lines, two sleeping one. 2 times. Come on. This is 11. Sleeping 11. And in center, right 11, sleeping 11. And in center, I'm going to write U. I will be making 2 lines first and then make a big U. You also do this way. Make 2 lines first and then give it a shape of U. Come on. And then a small circle. Small, tiny circle. Arish, show Arish Rai, show your work. Show your work, beta. Okay, very good. Keep doing. Keep doing. Anshika, you show your work, beta. Very good, Rohani. Are wow, Anshika, this is truly wonderful. Good. Keep it up. Now, very good. You all have done it so beautifully. Okay, now eyes are ready. This tilak is ready. Now let's complete body. Okay, so just take 2 points here. Take 2 points and draw 2 slanting, very slanting line. From here. Slanting line. And yeah, don't make it very big. No. Okay, small lines. And you will give a curve and come down straight. Okay, it is almost straight. Same here. This is 1. Suppose this is 1 and 1 and this I'm giving a round shape. It's like that. Curved and coming down. Okay. Give the shape, both the sides. Big, huge body of Lord Ganesha we are going to show. Okay. First, let's complete tusk. Tusk of Lord Ganesha. Take 1 point here, 2 sides, and 1 more point. 1 more point here, and same distance, 1 more point here. 2 points. Okay, just the lines of tusk we have now. We took 2 points, just absolutely near and this way. Now, we will be using letter J. J for jug. Okay? J for jug. Right, J? J for jug. And from here also, this point we have now, I will join. Join. The other point, you will start your from other point and you will join. And you know what? Lord Ganesha's second tusk is broken. Do you know why it is broken? Because once when Lord Ganesha was fighting with a great devil, the second tusk was broken. And according to few literature, Lord Ganesha was writing literature and he was not having any pen. So he just took his tusk and fill ink in that and write literature, a very big literature. These are 2 reasons. Okay, now it is broken to draw 1. 1, 1. We will not make it complete. 1, 1. And join. It's broken. Okay? And you must be knowing that Lord Ganesha's, if you will observe Lord Ganesha's image properly now, the elephant's head which was put on Lord Ganesha's body, it is having a sign of Trishul on its trunk. So we will be making a sign of Trishul here. Let's make 2 lines on trunk. 2 lines in center. This is trunk now, so you will be making it in center. U, give it a shape of big U. And small O. Small O on top. This is 11, then U, then O, both the sides. Now, I will take center point. Take a center point. Harshita, continue. Yes. You will be making a line. Trishul sign. We make Trishul sign this way. Okay? You will be making a center line and a circle. If you will observe images of Lord Ganesha, you will find this kind of sign on trunk of Lord Ganesha. Trunk we will make afterwards. First, we'll complete body. Finish this much. I want to see. Show your work, all of you. All of you. Very good. Very good. Show. Jai Singh, show your work, beta. Shabash. It's very good. Wonderful. Very nice. You all have done it so beautifully. Great. It's lovely. Beautiful. Wonderful. You can see work of each other and you all have done it beautifully. Shabash. Okay? Yes. Now let's complete body. Now this point, take some distance, keep some distance and just under this take one more point. Leave some distance and take one more point. Same this side. Here, one more point. Same distance. Okay, same distance. I will leave some space. I think here I left little space. Equal space. And now this line which we have now, not here, but in center of this, below. And how will you take the center? You just take the line from Bindi. If you will take line from Bindi now, this is center. Yes, Aisha, I've seen your work. Very beautifully done. Now, this is the center point. Okay? Just below Bindi. See, I've made a line also. Here. These 2 points I have taken below this. Okay, now this point which I have taken up, draw C over that. And same here. Draw C on the point of equal size. Both the sides C. Okay? Both sides you will be making C. Yes. Now here. See here. Here I will be making a V. V. Reverse V. Come on, make V and take its last point. Take its last point. And Lord Ganesha's story that why his body is of man and face is of animal, I will tell you next time. Yeah, it's perfect, Harshita. Okay, the C should be big. Don't make it small. It should be big. Okay. Now, what I will be doing from this upper point, this point, I will be making and joining the C. And I'm writing a big, this line, I will be joining here. Write C big and make this kind of shape. Now this point you will be joining with C. Don't make C very small because we are making legs of Lord Ganesha. Okay. And this big C which we have now, The other point of V, we will be joining. Show work, all of you. All of you show your work. I want to see legs properly done or not. Good. Shabash. Yes, it's absolutely correct. These lines which we have taken, you will write U on both the sides of equal size. Shabash. Yes. Good. Many are busy doing shabash. ठीक. Perfect. थोड़े बड़े बनाने, मोटे बनाने. Make them thick, not very thin. Okay? Yeah, it's wonderful. All of you have done it nicely. Okay. Now, take one more point. One more line. It's a kind of V. Just below this, I took a point. This point I have now, I took a point and draw one more V. Yeah, beta, you all have done so beautifully. Okay, this V which we were having, I took a point near this, draw one more V. Now I want to show feet. A big circle for showing toe and 4 small circles for showing fingers. Look at my hand. If I will show my hand like this, you will be able to see only tips. That is looking like circle. Look at this bottle. If I will show this bottle like this, you will be able to see only circle. So same ways, here, Lord Ganesha's, this feet, we are having look on from front. Okay? So we'll be showing circles. Join. The last circle you join. Join with leg. Okay? Same, I will be making the second. A big circle for showing toe. And see, you all will be getting recording. Okay? So please go through recording, because during Ganesh Chaturthi, there will be many online competitions, offline competitions. So you are ready now to participate. Okay? In colony level only, sometimes competitions are conducted. So please participate. Because of this only, I'm teaching this drawing today. This is O and 4 fingers, small 4 circles. And last circle, you will be joining above. Join it above. Very good. Very good. Okay. You just join it. So these are feet. And the center line which I took now, erase. This line I took so that my legs can come on perfect place. Okay, this line I will erase. These all were guidelines. Okay, now here. Have you done, all of you? Show thumbs up. Yes, thumbs up with smile. I will not see your thumbs up if you will not smile. Lovely smile. Yes, and I'm going to tell the story. But today, as we are making drawing now, so each and every step is very important. Because of this only, I'm not telling you a story. But next time, while doing coloring, for very sure, I will tell you a story. I actually want to. It's very interesting story, and many of you must be knowing also. Okay, now make 2 lines here and join. Sleeping lines, 2, 1 and join. And this side also 2 lines and join. These are golden jewelry, golden kada. This kind of kada they wear, na? This is golden. So we are showing this. And I want to show that with one hand, Lord Ganesha is giving us blessings. And in one hand, big laddu is there, and with trunk eating laddu also at the same time while giving blessings. Okay? So now draw 2 lines. Draw 2 lines. And here, this line I have now, draw 2 lines. Yes, this line we have, draw a curve. Show a U. Yes, now this point and this point, I will be making a big U. Big U. It's a big U and a small U. Okay, it's a big U, small U. And don't forget to show fingers, Lord Ganesha's blessings. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fingers and 1 toe. It's a big U and a small U. Okay, with help of this drawing, you will be ready for all the competitions which will be happening all around during Ganesh Chaturthi. Okay, participate in that. Because after making this drawing, you are prepared for making Lord Ganesha. Okay, now write Om. If you don't know how to write Om, you can make swastik also in hand. I'm writing Om. And if you don't know how to make swastik also, in that case, you just make a small circle. Okay? And see, you all will be getting recording, okay? To go through recording. Because, and at the same time, you are not only learning Lord Ganesha, at the same time, you are learning drawing on Ganesh Chaturthi. You are learning a drawing on a festival also. Okay, now here, finish. Show thumbs up if the hand is done. Show thumbs up. I can see many are busy doing. I will wait for them because this is very important. I'm repeating what I did. I draw a big U, then a small U. Ganesha is sitting like this and giving blessings. Okay, and here, I will be showing a big laddu, Ganesha's favorite. So using this point, I will be making a big laddu. Suppose this is a big laddu. Okay, and Ganesha is holding like this. I will be showing fingers. Show a big laddu, touch the point. Here we have pointer, touch this point and make a big laddu. Yes. Now I will be showing 4 fingers this way. So U once, U twice, U thrice, U 4 times, 4 fingers. Show 4 fingers. U, write U 4 times. Okay? And if you find time, please do revision now. I will complete this task. How? What you're supposed to do, please see. I will just come down and take it to my laddu. It's C. Again S. This is, take it to laddu. And this is the last point of trunk. Okay, this is the last point. Take last point. Take last point. Yes, and now here, you take one point near this. Take one point near this. We will be completing trunk. And now the second point. The second point is here now. I will be making a line, same ways, and touch my second point. Laddu. Ganesha is giving blessings at the same time. Busy eating laddu. Because Ganesha loved laddu a lot. Mata Parvati used to make lots of laddus. And Ganesha used to finish at once. You know this? And because of this only, Ganesha's tummy is very big. These 2 points. Okay? Join them with V. V. And Modak also. Modak is a very tasty dish. And Maya Parvati used to make. And every time Ganesha used to demand, Maya, please make Modak. These days we demand for pizza, no? Pizza, burger, and all. Ganesha used to demand, Maya, please make Modak, please make laddus. Yes. And see, this is a big bundi ka laddu. Let me see how many of you like bundi ka laddu. Raise hands if you like, and how many of you like Modak? Yes. Wow, very good. You all like laddus? Okay. Chalo, now let's complete. Here. Have you done? Show. Show thumbs up if done. Show your thumbs up if done. Many students, they don't like modak and laddus. They don't like sweet. They like namkeen, spicy things. Very good. You all have done it so beautifully. You all are really amazing. Chalo. Now this trunk is done. Now I want my Lord Ganesha wearing a big string of beads. So from here and from here, I will be starting from here a U, and I will finish here. Draw a shape of U. I'm going to show a beautiful garland, string of beautiful beads. From here, this point. From this point I started, and this point I finished. It's a big U. If your line is coming over this trunk, let it come. We are going to make a string. Lord Ganesha also wear jewelry, na? Take it out. Take your eraser and erase the line which is coming in trunk. The line which is coming in trunk, erase. Make it very carefully. It should look like this only as it is looking here. Okay? And you know what? Lord Ganesha was very, very powerful. Very powerful. Yes. In center, show a big beads. We are going to show beads to show a big circle. In center, just above this V shape. And one and circle. Okay. Now we are making beautiful jewelry for Lord Ganesha. And you see, you all have done so beautifully. When I told you that we are going to learn Lord Ganesha, you were thinking, na, I'm so small, I'm so young, student of class first or second. It's very difficult. I won't be able to do. You were thinking like this only, na? But see, you all have done it so nicely using letters and numbers. When we frame artwork, it's that simple. Yes. Now from here, we will start making strings. Proper round beads. These are beads. Don't make big and small. Try to make them uniform. Okay? And complete this beautiful string. Lord Ganesha's jewelry. Yes. And one more thing is left. Don't forget to show lines. Gradually small. Big to small. Lines in trunk. Yes, and I want to show that Lord Ganesha is sitting on one elevated part. I will make a rectangle. Okay? Just show a rectangle shape. If you're not finding time for making drawing again, you just see the recording for very sure. Because I know that during Ganesh Chaturthi, because you will miss few steps otherwise. Okay, the revision will, what will happen if you will see the recording once again, now that method and the steps will get fixed in your mind. Okay, now here, I will be making, now tell me, whom Lord Ganesha write? Batao. Yes, a small mouse. Yes, like we drive, we take car for going somewhere, auto for going somewhere. Lord Ganesha's mouse. He sit on mouse and go from place to place. But let's make that beautiful mouse. Come on, let's start. C for cat. Come on. C for cat. Okay. C for cat. 2 times C for cat. And then from here, 1 time again, C for cat. 1 time more, C for cat. This is the last point. Yes. Now here, from the center of the C, I will be writing 2. Okay, I'm repeating C. If there is no space, then don't make it. Okay. If you don't have space for making this, don't make it. This is C, and again a C. I took center point and I will write 2. 1, 2. We write now number 2. 2. Right? 2. And now this line which we have now, under this, I will make one more line and connect. Stop messaging. Message only when it's very important. Okay, useless messages don't send. Now I will be writing C and C. C, I'm showing here C and a C which you will make round. This ways you will be making here. And same I'm going to do with hands. From here, show 2 hands. 2 hands. I can make them little more thin. 5 minutes left. And it's done. And this ways only. C and one C round. And don't forget to make the other hand. For making other hand, what I will be doing? From face to hand, I will make one more line. Mushak is folding hands. It's very simple making Mushak Raj. Okay? Yes. Now here you will make a small circle. Yes. Small circle. Yes. And then a small smile. Small smile, a line to show smile. And I will be writing W. Okay, and I will join W here only. See, W. Ears. Show ears. W. I. Show small circle. Dot to show eyes. And just join. Join and show tummy. Join and show tummy. And tail. For making tail, I will be making S. Make S. Stop chatting. Useless chattings. Don't. Okay. I will be showing a diya. A line. And a D. C for cat. C for cat. Diya. And show a line. It's a capital D. See, it is looking like D. And for making its flame, I draw C for cat, C for cat. Okay. And I will be making flowers all around. Small, tiny, beautiful flowers. Okay. Back side. And this is all about our Ganesha's drawing. Hai na? See, you will be getting recording. Please go through recording so that each and every step will get fixed and you will not forget during time of competition, or suppose sometimes make any festival. So you can try Ganesh Chaturthi. You can show few people, you can show people standing here folding hands. It will look as if it's Ganesh Chaturthi drawing. Okay, flowers here and there. Make each and every flower beautifully. Don't make flowers in a hurry. Don't make dirty flowers, okay? Take your own time. Chalo, now show me your work. I just want to see that how brilliant you all are. This is our complete drawing. Okay? Wow. Chalo, show. All of you show your work. And I want a smile on your faces because you made such lovely drawing. I want a smile on your face. Show. Very good. It's so beautifully done. Shabash. Now see, what is your homework? Your homework is you will move sketch pen on Lord Ganesha's drawing, okay? You will be moving Lord Ganesha's drawing. You will be moving sketch pen, black sketch pen, okay? This is black sketch pen. You will move on all the whole drawing, okay? And you all have done really well. I'm really proud of you. You are amazing students. And with this, I'm winding up my class. May God bless you. Bye, students.